What's up, guys? It's your boy Two Phones back again with another informative video. Hope you guys can hear me loud and clear. I'm actually using a microphone I just did an unboxing on, so let me know how the audio is along with the video. All right, so no further ado, I have a nasty surprise for you all. I love saying that. I don't know who came out with the whole I got a nasty surprise. So yeah, guess what we got, guys? We got the Moto G7 Power in the building. Yeah, the 60-hour battery life smartphone, right? Okay, so this is the retail version. I got it from Best Buy. They had some in stock, so I went ahead and pulled the plug and ordered me one, or purchased one. All right, so no further ado, we'll go ahead and unbox it. There's not too much around the box to really show you all. It's just basically just what it is. All right, so yeah, this is the 5,000 milliamp Moto G7 Power. All right, and what we have here, we have this. Okay, this is the device. All right, let me take it off the plastic so you guys can see it, because this is what you came here for. All right, look at the beauty, the blue, the marine blue. And there's a lot of mixed reviews out on YouTube about whether or not this is plastic or a glass back. I'm hearing plastic and I'm hearing glass back. So I don't know. Let me know your thoughts. I still think it's a nice device. Let me just hold it up for you guys so you can see. It's a nice looking device from the back. All right. You got the USB-C port and microphone. All right. You got the headphone jack at the top with another mic. You have the power button and the volume rocker. And the SIM tray is on the side. Now, that's something different. All right. So, yeah, here we have it, guys. And it only comes with a single lens on the rear. All right. And I think it has a notch. I can kind of see it. So, let's power it on. See if it has any juice. And it does. There goes the notch. My first notch Android phone. All right. Let's power it on. What else comes with the box? Let's see. You got booklets on the inside of here, of course. And your SIM injection tool. All right, you got booklets. Read it yourself, which most of us doesn't. So, and of course you got the turbo power, which basically I have a lot of these. I'm not even going to use it. USB, which I have a lot of these. USB-C cables. I'm not going to use it, so I'm just going to leave those in the box, and that's really pretty much what came inside the box. Now, I must admit, it has that iPhone feeling. It has that iPhone feeling. So let's go ahead and get started. All right. So it's going to give you instructions on how to insert a SIM card and a micro SD card, which I also bought on sale at Best Buy. 64 gigs for 18 bucks. You can't beat it. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead and skip that. Let's see what else is showing. Okay, it's trying to find network. I'm going to go ahead and skip that. I don't want you guys to wait here and watch me set it all up like that. We're just going to go ahead and skip all that. Okay, go to next. Scroll down. All right. Actually, let's set up the fingerprint. Go set up the fingerprint real quick. Okay, they want me to put a pin in. All right. All right, so the fingerprint sensor is on the back in a Motorola emblem. All right, so here we go. Okay, next. You gotta be real light. You gotta be, yeah, you gotta barely touch it. I'm barely touching it. Wow, okay, I like that. Let me go back. Just gonna use my left hand for right now. Left finger. All right, so here we go. All right, we got all the Motorola stuff going on in here. Okay. And boom, we're finally here at the home screen of the Moto G7 Power. So, what do I, oh man. You know, it's a 720p display again, and it doesn't look 720p. From afar, it doesn't look I'm looking at it from a distance. I'm holding it from a distance. I can't even tell this 720p. But a lot of people gonna hate it, and you already know why. But it has a 5,000 milliamp battery. That's the selling point. It's fully unlocked and it has all the T-Mobile bands. That should be the next selling point. And it has a 6.2 inch screen. Now I do have the Moto E5 Plus, so let's do a real quick comparisons. Okay, let me see. All right. So the Moto E5. Oh, that's the notifications. So the Moto E5 Plus is right here with the Dragon Ball Z and all that clutter. I know I gotta clean it up. My bad. Yeah, I've been playing around. And this is the Moto G7 Power. Both have 5,000 milliamp battery. Now this is only locked to Sprint, so you can only use this Moto E5 Plus on Sprint's network. While this one, the Moto G7 Power I have in my hand right here, is fully unlocked. And I'm pretty sure Google Fi can work with this. Free Up Mobile can work with it. Mint Mobile can work with it. And Republic Wireless can work with this smartphone. And Text Now. And Freedom Pop, you still like that. But yes, this is a fully unlocked device. Oh, my bad. For those that don't like mobile virtual network operators, Metro and Cricket and Boost should all work with the Moto G7 Power. Okay, so yeah, here we have it. It has that stock look and feel. Very basic out the box. Yeah, it's so far so. Let's check out some settings real quick. I want to go to the settings. It should have what should it have? Moto. Okay, let's check out the latest security patch. Here we go. About phone. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Software. Yeah, it's on Android. Yeah, it's on Android 9. Right now, it's on January security patch, so I just have to put it on Wi-Fi, update it, things of that sort. But yeah, it is on Android Pie. So yeah, we got the latest, somewhat the latest. You know, Q's coming out, or Q is on beta right now. Yeah, guys. Okay. So here's the settings and toggles. Okay. It doesn't seem like it has. Yeah, it doesn't seem like it has Dolby audio sounds built in. But of course, I'm gonna do speaker test, headphone test, microphone test, and see how all that runs with this device. Actually, I don't mind that notch. All right. Yeah. First impressions, man. Out the box. You know, brand new, sweet feel. It looks like a premium device. I mean, for $249 unlocked, but you can get it for $200 if you sign up to Verizon or if you sign up to AT&T. AT&T and Verizon have some type of deal with Motorola and Best Buy partnership. You can save $50 if you get a new, you know, contract or postpaid plan, so you won't have to spend $250 on this device. But it's a little heavier than the Moto E5 Plus. I'm not sure why that's the thing, but yeah, I like this blue. I like the blue better, guys. So yeah, this will be my daily driver for the next week or maybe next month. Once again, we're going to test out that battery life. So I'm gonna charge it all the way up to 100, and then we're gonna get rolling. All right. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Moto G7 Power? I call it Moto Power. So yeah. All right. It's your boy Two Phones. Thanks for watching this unboxing and first impressions of this video. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Hit that notification bell twice and drop a comment. All right. Moto G7 Power in his house.